Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Breland here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to remember past choices in an episode. So before we get started, please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after you do that. Let's get started. So, first of all, if you have not seen my choices video, go ahead and click the link down below because that'll teach you how to make choices, which is what I'm going to be using in this tutorial. So, I'm going to start off by making a regular choice. And I'm going to have my character named you, like her and another character named James have a prom for school, and she wants to impress him by wearing his favorite style of clothing. So I'm going to give him four options. The first one will be preppy, and the second one punk, the third one sporty, and the last one, girly. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to preppy, and I'm going to have James be talk underscore happy underscore agree. And then he's going to say it's preppy. Also, I'm sorry about all this background noise. And now after done that, you want to write gain. And basically this is like kind of like a flag, so you want to name your flag whatever you want. So I'm going to name it style underscore preppy. And now you're basically done, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste all this into my other choices, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm all done making that little scene. So now what you want to write if parentheses, and then you're going to write the name of your flag. So mine was style underscore preppy. And now after you write that, you want to add whatever you want to happen. So I'm just going to write at you changes into you underscore preppy, because that's what happens when the reader chooses that. So now you want to close that by writing a closing curly bracket. And right after that, do not press enter or space. Just right after that, press elif. Spell elif. El stands for else, so else if, and then it's basically the same thing. So like elif style underscore punk, and it's basically the same thing. If you want to, you can make a space to make it look more organized. It doesn't really matter. So that's basically it. So I'm gonna make this a little scene, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I'm all done, so let's go ahead and see what that looks like. that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, please like it if you enjoyed it and subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after you do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.